Ernest C. Hammond Jr. was an amazing scientist and college professor who made big contributions to space science. He worked with NASA and helped make space missions even more successful. Born on August 22, 1939, in Baltimore, Maryland, Ernest sadly passed away on September 13, 2015, but his work, life, and legacy continues to inspire. Ernest, known affectionately as Ernie, loved teaching and doing research. He taught physics at Morgan State University and worked on important NASA projects. As a principal investigator, he conducted experiments involving a special microscope called a Scanning Electron Microscope, giving students the opportunity to work directly with cutting-edge technologies. He also supported NASA by helping make sure space cameras took the best possible pictures by studying how temperature and time affected film in space. One of Ernest's most important discoveries was creating a special math formula to understand how space conditions affected film. This helped NASA get clearer pictures from space, like the ones from the moon landings. For over 40 years, Ernest taught advanced science topics at Morgan State University. He made learning fun and gave students the chance to do hands-on experiments, like studying tiny materials with special tools. Many students learned from him and went on to become scientists and engineers. Ernest also worked hard to make science more open to everyone. He encouraged young people, especially from the African American community, to dream big and become part of space science. He helped Morgan State University work with Johns Hopkins University to make their science programs even stronger. Besides his work in science, Ernest was a talented musician who played the violin. He was also a loving husband to his wife, Dr. Rosalind Brown Hammond, a biologist. They shared a love for science and music, and they supported each other throughout their careers. Ernest was recognized for his hard work and received many awards, including one from the U.S. Navy, and for helping improve space technology. He also worked with other scientists on new discoveries, like the organic dye laser. Ernest C. Hammond Jr. wasn't just a scientist. He was a teacher, a leader, a mentor, and someone who helped shape the future of science. His work continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and students everywhere.